Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you a simple way to backup important files on your Ubuntu VPS. First, let's check our available disk space. I will give you all this comment in description, guys. Okay. Now let's create a backup folder, guys. Then, guys, next we will backup the VPS configuration files. Okay, then. Now let's backup our website's file. Then finally let's check our backups. Guys, see guys, as you can see our backup files have been created. Keep in mind that storage that storing the backup on the same VPS isn't ideal. If the VPS fails, you could lose both that server and backup. For important servers, copy your backup to another server or reliable external storage. And that's it. Your important VPS files are backed up now. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.